In this video, you'll see me training one of our puppies, Hector. Hector is from our current litter Solo with Lupa, and he's available. We named him Hector in honor of his great-grandfather, Hector the Great, my first bully. Hector is 53 days old during the recording of this video, and this is his third training session. As I've mentioned in other videos, training sessions with puppies this young must be very short and focused. It's all about quality, not quantity. In this session, we work on the place command, sit and down commands. We're setting the foundations for future training. Hector learns that training is pleasant and that cooperating with me has a positive outcome. In a previous video, I talked about the importance of learning to follow the hand. Here you'll see how crucial this skill is. I teach him the place command, sit, down, and even to jump over a plank without forcing him. He simply follows my hand as I lure him to the desired positions. Nice and easy, as training a young puppy should be. Remember, training isn't something happening to him. Training is happening for him. A trained dog is a dog you can communicate with and a dog who will live his life to the fullest. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.